Okay, my peeps, let me show you what I got going on here. Earlier, I showed you a free oversized tote slash beach bag that I got for free from my cell phone service provider. I originally was going to put my case, my extra USB chargers, things like that, my Bluetooth cell phone selfie stick. I have my case for my digital camera in there that has extra charging wires. And then, some extra spare rags in here. So this would be, I guess I can call this my secondary digital equipment bag. Because once my GoPro gets done charging back up, I'm going to put my main stuff in here. One actually has my drone in there, and the other one has the USB and charging wires. This is my drone. In the front, I have other selfie sticks here that I use. So, like I said, here I got little extra, a little mini tripod, little things for attaching a GoPro to my car or paddleboard, whatever the case may be. So that would be basically there and there. And then I had put my beach towels in here because what I'm concerned about is, don't mind my floor, I gotta clean my room. This bag right here is heavy, so I was worried about the material not being very strong on this tote bag. So I figured it will be good for my beach towels. So I'm gonna see how this works. And like I said, mainly a secondary bag for my charging wires. I might move my GoPro to this bag, or the drone case, the extra drone case that I have that has the extra batteries and charging cables, I might move to here and leave the drone in this pink bag here. But I decided to use this bag for my beach towels. See how it goes. I might switch it back up, so stay tuned.